Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. For this video, I thought I would give you guys a quick update of the stocks in my current portfolio. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for a video like this, so I thought I would just kind of go through and detail what's in each of my different market segments, the particular stocks, as well as the allocation. You can see currently my portfolio is just above 70,000, and I've been earning about $1,000 per week or so, about 1.52%. As you guys know, the market has been very, very good over the last several months. So this isn't typical for the whole year, but over the last few months, my high dividend yielding portfolio has been producing very, very good returns. It's been doing very, very well. So having said all that, let's kind of jump into the portfolio here. Up top, I have a few ETFs. I have 5 high dividend yield ETFs, starting with DVY, SCHD. And just to point out as well, before I get started here, under each of the ticker symbols, you can see the allocation or how many shares I own of each of these particular stocks. So again, up top, ETFs, high dividend yield ETFs, DVY, SCHD, SDY, SPHD, and VYM. Under that, I have my healthcare stocks. First, my pharmaceutical stocks, ABBV, AbbVie, LLY, Eli Lilly and Company, PFE, Pfizer, and PTLA Portola. Below that, I have healthcare services companies, ABT, Abbott Laboratories, CAH, Cardinal Health, and J&J Johnson & Johnson. Below my healthcare sector, I have my industrials, first aerospace and defense, BA Boeing, and LMT Lockheed Martin. Below that, I have some conglomerates, GE, General Electric, MMM, 3M. Machinery, below that, ITW, Illinois Toolworks. I have a couple railroad stocks, CNI, Canadian National Railroad, as well as UNP, Union Pacific. Below that, a supply company, IP International Paper, and a chemical company below that, DOW, Dow Chemical. Below my industrials and materials stocks, I have consumer discretionary, first automobiles. You can see Ford, one of my larger holdings there. F for Ford, GM, General Motors. Below that, electronics, GM, Garmin Limited. Below that, general merchandise, TGT Target, which has not been performing well. It's lost about 10% or so. Luckily, I don't have a large allocation to Target. Below that, I have restaurants, MCD, McDonald's, YUM, Yum Brands, and YUMC, Yum Brands, China. Below that, I have textiles, VFC, VF Corporation. Below that, I have agriculture, ADM, Archer Daniels Midland. Below that, foodstuffs, SYY, Cisco. Below that, household products, CL, Colgate, KMB, Kimberly Clark. Below that, I have some packaged goods, HSY, Hershey Company, KHC, Kraft Heinz Company. Below that, I have some personal products, PG, Procter & Gamble. Below that, beverage companies, BUD, Anheuser-Busch, KO, Coca-Cola, and PEP, PepsiCo. Below my consumer discretionary and consumer staples, I have my financial stocks, first starting with BOFI, Bank of the Internet, HBAN, Huntington Bank Shares, MS, Morgan Stanley, that's a new addition over the last week, and WFC, Wells Fargo and Company. Below that, I have an insurance company, ORI, Old Republic International. Below my financials, I have some information technology stocks. First, IBM, International Business Machines, AAPL, Apple, AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, INTC, Intel, and MSFT, Microsoft. Below that, I have my telecoms, T for AT&T, and VZ for Verizon. Below that, I have one energy stock, XOM, ExxonMobil, a few utility companies here, CNP, CenterPoint Energy, ED, Consolidated Edison, SO Southern. Below that, I have a few real estate investment trust, APLE, Apple Hospitality, FRT, Federal Realty Investment, O for Realty Income Delaware, and STAG for Stag Industrial. And then rounding out my portfolio on the bottom here, I have some closed-end funds as well as some bond funds and penny stocks. First starting there with GOF, Guggenheim, PCM Fund, PSEC for Prospect Capital, PTY, PIMCO Corporation, BHK, BlackRock Core Bond Trust, BAC plus B, Bank of America, penny stock. Those are my penny stocks. DHY, Credit Suisse High Yield Bond Fund, PIP, Pharmathene, and SDR, Sandridge Mississippian Trust. So those are the current stocks in my portfolio. Like I said, most of these are high dividend yield stocks. Most of these come from blue chip companies that have great dividend yields. And like I said, it's been earning about $1,000 per week or so over the last few months, which has been very, very good. I don't anticipate this is going to continue throughout the year, but for right now, the market has been very, very strong. Even with a recent pullback here, the market is still performing very, very well. So that is my portfolio. I hope you guys have been having equal success with your portfolios. Again, the majority of my stocks are blue chip companies, large cap companies that have good dividend yields, anywhere from 2.5 to 5.5%. And like I said, they've been performing very, very well. So let me know what you guys are doing with your portfolios. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end the video here. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel, trying to learn a little bit about investing. If you guys have any questions, video ideas, let me know. I'm currently trying to respond to comments the best I can. A little bit of a delay, so I apologize for that. But again, if you guys have any big investment ideas, any strategies that you're using, or any questions about the market, let me know and I'll put out a video about your idea there. So again, this is my portfolio of the last few months here. A few additions I noted. Otherwise, I've been kind of holding steady and just adding to the positions that I currently have. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.